Ride your bike. Say thank you, Uncle Josh.
Thank you, Dad.
Smile and say thank you, Josh. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love my bike.
I love back. I love back. Blue bike. Blue bike.
Is it a blue bike?
Yeah.
Can you put your feet on the pedals?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Press. Press. Shoot. Shoot.
Put your feet on the pedals. Both feet.
Tom. Tom.
Toms. Yeah, you're wearing Toms. Was your bike cute?
Yeah.
Okay, ride it. Go forwards. Come to me. Come to me. Say thank you, Josh.
I'm on it.
Now you gotta go backwards.
Put it down.
Where's your Nana? Is it on your back board there? You got it? Yep, there you go.
It's back.
Yep, that's where you put it. Yep, okay, back up.
Back up.
Back up.
Move. Move. Move.
Yeah, you're moving.
Move. Bike.
Ring your bell.